How to invest for retirement. Best strategies for long-term growth. Let me ask you a question. What does your future self look like? Are they relaxed on a beach, sipping drinks, or stressed, scrambling to make ends meet? The truth is, the difference between these two realities comes down to one thing: how you invest for your retirement now. Stick with me, because in the next 10 minutes, you'll learn the best strategies to ensure that you can live that wealthy lifestyle you dream of. And trust me, it's easier than you think. 1. The importance of starting early. Here's a harsh reality. Time is your most valuable asset, and you might already be running out of it. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more your money can work for you. Compound interest, the magical force that grows your wealth exponentially, doesn't wait for anyone. Imagine putting off saving for 5 years. That's 5 years of growth you'll never get back. Let's say you start investing at 22 with just $100 a month. By 30, your savings would have doubled. Wait until you're 30, and it will take more than double the effort to catch up. See the difference? Fear of missing out, FOMO, isn't just for the latest tech trends. It's real when it comes to your financial future. Don't wait until you're 40, looking at your bank account and wondering where it all went. Like I do with my gym membership. Don't be like me. Now that we understand the importance of starting early, let's talk about how to strategically build your retirement portfolio. 2. Diversification, the key to less risk. You've heard the phrase, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." Well, it's especially true when it comes to your retirement savings. Diversification is the secret sauce to building a wealth machine that can withstand market fluctuations. A well-diversified portfolio means spreading your investments across different asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, and maybe even alternative investments like cryptocurrencies or precious metals. By balancing your risk, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Why? Because when the stock market takes a nosedive, your other investments, like real estate or bonds, might be holding steady. But here's where most people get it wrong. They don't consider how to adjust their risk as they get older. Stay with me, because I'm about to show you exactly how to tweak your strategy as you move through life. 3. Adjusting risk as you get older. Here's a big mistake. Many people stick with the same investment strategy their entire life. But when you're young, it's okay to take risks with your investments. However, as you near retirement, you need to shift gears and reduce that risk. Why? Because you can't afford to lose the money you've worked so hard to save. Start by leaning heavily into stocks when you're young. Higher risk, higher reward. As you approach your 40s and 50s, start shifting toward more stable options like bonds or dividend-paying stocks. Your 20s and 30s are your time to be aggressive. But by your 40s, you'll want to play it smart and protect what you've built. Basically, when you hit 50, don't be the person trying to get rich quick. That's not how retirement works. You don't want to be the guy who shows up to retirement age with nothing but a dream and a collection of baseball cards. Now, if you've been paying attention, you might be wondering, what are the best types of accounts to use for these investments? The good news? We've got some major tax-saving strategies to explore. Stick around. 4. Retirement accounts. Maximizing tax benefits. Let's talk about retirement accounts, the secret weapon for maximizing your savings. You have options like the 401k, IRA, and Roth IRA. These aren't just accounts. They're your financial armor. They allow your money to grow tax-deferred or tax-free, which gives you a significant edge when it comes to long-term growth. Here's the catch. With a traditional 401k or IRA, you get a tax break now, but you'll pay taxes when you withdraw. With a Roth IRA, you pay taxes now, but you withdraw tax-free in retirement. Both strategies have their place. Roth is great if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket when you retire, while traditional accounts give you an immediate benefit. Now, you might be asking yourself, which account should I prioritize first? Stick with me. I'll reveal exactly what you need to do to make the best choice. 5. The power of consistency. Here's the golden rule. Consistent contributions are key. No matter how much or how little you're able to invest, it's about staying consistent. Even if you start small, it all adds up over time. Think of it like watering a plant. At first, it doesn't seem like much, but after a few years, you'll have a flourishing garden. The magic happens when you commit to contributing regularly. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound interest. And if you can increase your contributions whenever you can, like when you get a raise or pay off a loan, you'll be ahead of the game. So, how do you start implementing these strategies right now? What's your next move? Let's talk about the action plan you can take today. Look, your future self is counting on you. Every day that you delay taking action is another day your wealth could be growing. Start early, diversify, adjust your risk, maximize tax benefits, and most importantly, stay consistent. The good news? It's never too late to start making smarter moves for your financial future. Now, I know you're ready to take charge of your financial destiny. So, what's your next move? Are you ready to start investing for the life you deserve? Drop a comment below, and let's talk about your strategy. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because your journey to financial freedom starts with knowledge. I'll see you in the next video.